Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from One Tech Stop, and I just received, as you can see, my S10 Plus. Now the packaging is actually a little different. It almost has like that prism color on the front, as you can tell over here. And I also got the promotional buds, the Galaxy Buds with it. So we'll do a little comparison with the 2018 one I had. But let's unbox this S10 Plus. I got the Prism White one. That's the one that I decided to get. And we'll open it up. And here it is, right in front of us. And Samsung included all white accessories with this. With my Note, which I have in my pocket, the blue one, it's usually darker accessories to black accessories. But with the Prism White, which is a very nice color, it like changes a little, almost like a pearl white to me. But when you reflect it in the light a little bit, you know, it could give like a pinkish or bluish tint to it. But so far the phone feels beautiful in hand. Very nice looking device, very classy. One thing Samsung is doing now, because of the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, they're including a little screen protector with it, which is a very nice touch. Something that Huawei and OnePlus do already with their phones. So it's a standing unboxing. We have the wall charger. We have the USB to USB-C adapter. We have a nice pair of AKGs right here. This is probably the USB-C cable. Yes, it is right here. I don't know if you guys could see that. And if you have any questions regarding the S10, let me know. I'll show you a size comparison next to the Note. And you can see that, but we'll lay them down like this. And you can see the Note is actually a little wider, longer, and they are both with the same screen size. Let me power this on. They didn't do that. And let's just check it out in terms of screen. I mean, it's a very nice looking phone. It's very Samsung-like. I mean, very similar to the S9 profile. But I'm excited to turn it on, test it out, and see what all the fuss is about. I will also be doing a video in a little bit. I received a white stone dome glass. I'm going to set that up. This is the one that's supposed to work with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So I'm going to do an installation on video and show you guys if it actually works or not. Obviously, there are tons of video out there already showing that it does work, so I'm sure it will. Anyway, this is Lenny Bonds from One Tech Stop, signing off. Thank you.